Hi, good morning everyone friends. So in this video we're going to see about how while loop works and how do while works and how to use continue and break in while loop. We will discuss in this video. Let me create a new class here. I'm naming it as a while example. Very simple guys. You have observed it or not, in for loop and all there is initialization will be there and increment operator also required. Okay, but whereas in while loop we don't need any increment operator and all. Okay, implicitly it is not providing any increment or decrement. You want to do it, you need to do it explicitly. Like, say the syntax is very simple. While here you're going to use your condition here. For example, I'm taking int I equal to 1. Okay, here my condition is like I less than equal to 10. Okay, I less than equal to 10 and I want to print it. Okay, I want to print my I. Fine. See here, do you think what is the output of this program? Usually while will work until this condition false. Until this condition false, it is going to work, loop it. Okay, whenever this condition false, then it will exit from the while loop. Okay, until then it is going to print all the statements. But see, there is no self increment or decrement operator in while loop. Whereas you want to increment or decrement, you need to do it explicitly. For example, I am doing I plus plus. I am doing I plus plus here. So I am trying to increment the I value because there is no self increment here. So you need to do it explicitly in while loop. But whereas in for loop, yeah, you can see here, you are providing in the, this is initialization, this is your condition, and this is your increment operator. But whereas in while loop, there is no initialization, no increment, only condition will be there. Until this condition false, it is going to run. If I will run now, see what is the output. See 1 to 10, it is printed successfully, right? 1 to 10 it is printed successfully. Similar way it will be there. Okay, so for example, I want to increment by 2 values. Then very simple, I equal to I plus 2 you can give. At a time it will increment by 2. Now check the output. Okay, now check the output. I equal to 1 3 5 7 9. That's it. Every time it is incrementing by 2 values. This way it will be there. For example, if I will remove this value, what will happen? Now tell me the output. There is no increment operator. Every time I equal to 1 only, then it will go to the infinite loop. You can observe carefully here. It will go to infinite loop now. See, always 1 it is printing. It will go on. That is the dangerous with while loop. If you don't have the proper condition, then it will go into infinite loop. See, it is keep on print. Because there is no increment operator for I always 1 only, 1 less than equal to 10 always true, then it will go to the infinite loop. Okay, so this way while loop is going to work. For example, let me add one more condition here. If my I value equal to 5, I want to exit from this loop. How you can do that? Break. Else what you want to do? Else I want to print each and every value. I want to print I value. Okay, now tell me here what will happen. Even increment operator is not there here also. Let me add the increment operator. Fine. So I equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 10, true. It will check this condition, no, then it will print that value and it will do the increment. When I equal to 5, then it will break. Break means it will come out from the while loop. So it means it will print only till 1 to 5. 1 to 4. Okay. Why it is 5 is not printing? 4 less than equal to 10. 4 it is printing. Okay. I plus plus it is doing. And then the condition again coming to here. Okay. Okay. Then 5 less than equal to 10. Okay. But 5 equal to 5, then break. Okay. 1 to 4 it is printing. Perfect. Okay. Break. Similar way. Break means it will come out from the while loop, guys. Break means it will come out from the while loop. Similarly, if I will give continue here, then what will happen? Break means okay, it is exiting. So when I equal to 5, continue, then these two statements will not work. Then these two statements will not work. Okay. Again continue with the while loop. Then what is going to happen? Observe carefully. Okay. So I is equal to 1 to 4 printed, but what happened here? You have given what? Continue. It will continue. So it will continue the while loop and all. It will continue the while loop. Then when I equal to 4 less than equal to 10, I equal to 5, then it is stopped over there. Let me re-execute now. Did you understand what is happening here? It is also going to the infinite loop, guys. How it is going to the infinite loop? Tell me. Because very simple. When I equal to 5, okay, when I equal to 5, continue you are doing. Increment operator is here. So every time the increment operator is here, continue you are doing. I equal to 5 only, 5 equal to 5, then it is going into the infinity loop. Then to overcome that, what we need to do is very simple. Increment operator, let you add it here. Okay. Now what will happen? Except 5 value, it is going to print all other values from 1 to 10. What? Oh, okay. Let me stop it here. What is happening? I equal to 5, it is not coming. Okay, let me add it here only. I plus plus you are doing. Okay. Now here, if it is coming here, then just add this statement. I equal to I plus 1. Now check it out. Okay, except 5, remaining all the values are printing. Because what is happening is, see here, it will check for 1 less than equal to 10. True. This condition is false. Then it will print 1 and I plus plus. Now I value is 2. Until 5. 5 equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I equal to what you are doing, I value will become 6, and you are doing what? Continue to the while loop. These two statements will not work. Continue means again it will go to the loop. Okay, now I is equal to 6 it will print and I plus plus, and also that is the reason 5 is not printed, because in this if condition you have not added any printing statement. Since you have used continue, it will continue from here. Okay, it will continue from the again the loop. That is the difference between break and continue. You want to exit, use break. You want to continue the loop, irrespective of the below statements. You want to continue, then continue with the loop, then you can use continue statement. Okay. Similar way, we have another also do while loop also. Okay. Let me create another class here. Okay, see here, do while loop also, how it is working and all. Very simple, guys. So while loop and do while loop both are same, but small difference is there. Small difference is here. Same condition I'm adding. While I less than equal to 10, I have added. while I value is not there, so int I equal to 1 I have given. Okay, do loop I am adding here. In the do loop, just I want to print it, print my I value. Okay, now tell me what is going to happen with this. How it will work is, first it will print it this one, and it is going to check the condition later. First it will execute all these statements and then check the condition. Irrespective of the condition true or false, it will run it. For example, I am giving here I equal to 11. What will happen now? Tell me. 11 will print or not? But in this case, if I will give 11, it will not execute anything. It will not print any value for us. No output will get it. But whereas in this case, though you have given 11, but condition is false only, but still 11 is going to print here. Check it out. See, 11 is printed successfully, because before going to check the condition in do while loop, it will print all these statements. It will print all these statements and then it is going to check the condition. Whenever you want to execute your statements at least once before going to check the condition, then you can use the do while loop. Or first you want to check the condition and then you want to execute your statements, then you need to come for while loop. Okay, so this is about the while and do while loops usually we will use. Okay, yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you.